Hi and welcome to my Python YouTube channel. It's awesome to have you here. If you like this video, a thumbs up would be great. And make sure to subscribe for future videos. I also have a blog at prosperocoder.com with lots of cool stuff, so feel free to check it out. In the previous part of the pandas series, we were creating multi-indexed objects implicitly, so actually they were created behind the scenes. But sometimes you may want to create them explicitly. We can explicitly create multi-index objects by means of some methods in the multi-index class. In particular, these include from tuples, which we already used a couple times, from arrays, and from products. Let's have a look at from tuples one more time. Here are our imports. Now let's create a multi-index using the from tuples method. Here are the tuples, and here is our multi-index object. Now let's use the from arrays method to create exactly the same multi-index. So, from arrays, and here we pass two arrays, and the multi-index object looks like this. Exactly the same. The two methods above have pretty self-explanatory names. The third method, from product, is pretty simple too. It just creates a Cartesian product of single indices, so we get all possible combinations. Let's recreate the multi-index that we just created, this time using the from product method. So, from product, and here we have two arrays, and we will get all possible combinations. So, here's our multi-index object. Besides the three methods, there are other ways to create multi-index objects. For example, you can explicitly pass the levels and codes. You already saw levels and codes in part 12 of this series. Here's how we can use them to create a multi-index. So here are the levels, and here are the codes. And what we get is this. Exactly the same. Now you can use the multi-index to create multi-indexed objects. All the multi-indexes above, so A, B, C, and D, are identical, so we can use any of them. Here's an example. So here's the data, and now let's create a series object with hierarchical indices. And this object looks like so. In the next part of the series, we'll be talking about named multi-index levels. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.